Alright y'all, welcome to the Bear Cave. I'm Smoking Bears and today I got a good one for you. I recently was gifted this Lodge cornbread mix. Now, my cousin gave me this because they don't like cornbread and they know I do. And hey, the National Cornbread Festival's coming up. Y'all going? If you're going, leave it in the comments. The wife and I and a couple others are looking at going, so maybe we'll meet up somewhere. But we're going to give this a try. This one here. And it says it's I'm buttery in every bite. So the secret ingredient is your favorite cast iron. So it says to preheat your oven to 425 with your skillet already in the oven. So I've already done that. And now we're going to, it says, from the kitchen, you need 3 eggs, 1 stick of butter, unsalted, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, which I don't have, but I have heavy whipping cream, and a tablespoon of canola oil, which I have regular veg oil. So, but that's it. And then we got the instructions on how to. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Cheers. Okay, so let's see what the contents say. In the bowl, whisk together 3 eggs, your butter that has been melted and cooled, and the buttermilk. So, the butter, 1 stick of butter. It's not quite cool, but it's cool enough. I have heavy whipping cream instead of buttermilk. It's just what I had. Okay. Whisk together 3 eggs, the butter. So let's get the eggs going. There's 1. 2. 3. Now it says whisk, so I'm going to use Grandma's whisk. I don't remember my grandmother ever really having a whisk, so we always did everything by fork whenever. Okay, now it says to whisk together the dry ingredients. It says to pour the dry into the wet into the dry, but we're going to do it backwards because I only have 1 bowl. Probably don't want to dump it in there because it'll cause lumps, but let's just really work it to get the lumps out. Okay. And then next it says once the oven's reached 425, remove the hot skillet, spray generously with the non-stick spray, then add a tablespoon of canola oil to the bottom of the skillet. Okay. So we'll come back at that point. Whew. That is hot. Okay. So it said non-stick spray and then oil. So why don't we just oil it up a little bit better? Okay. Take our spatula and get up on the sides. Let's do that. I think that's why. So that way you can get the sides. If you're using the cornbread skillet pan, one of those, then you'll be able to get all the creases. Okay. Now Pour the cornbread batter into the hot skillet and bake for 20 to 30 minutes. That's pretty good. It is a lot thicker than like you know, your normal like Jiffy. All right, let's smooth this out. Smooth it out and get her back in the oven. 20 to 25 minutes until insert toothpick in the cornbread and comes out clean. Remove quickly with the knife around the edges. Remove from the oven and quickly run a knife around the edges of the skillet to help loosen the cornbread. Turn the cornbread out of the skillet and onto a cutting board. So we will come back in 20 to 25 minutes or when this comes out clean. Okay, so we're at the 22-minute mark. So let's take a look. Oh, she looking good. She looking good. Got some good crispness. Can you all see that? Let's see. I think that's pretty clean. What do y'all think? Yeah, maybe a little bit longer. Maybe just a hair longer. Okay, so it took its full like 25, 26 minutes at 425. So now it says remove from the oven, quickly run a knife. I just walked it straight out here. You see it's comes out. Loosen. Turn the cornbread out of the skillet onto a cutting board so it doesn't even want to rest. So let me get a cutting board and we'll get her flipped out. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because I was thinking about this and I want this side up, so I'm going to flip it out onto this and then flip it this onto this. Yeah, okay. Right? So flip it out onto that. Okay. Oh, buddy. All right. Now, let me slide this onto here. Well, let's do the drive-by of the train wreck. I should have left it alone. It's alright, it'll eat though. It fell apart when I went to flip it again. Should have just left it alone. Let's try it. Yeah, I like it. It's a little gritty. A little bit drier, but I think that's because I used the heavy whipping cream instead of buttermilk. Tastes good though, and that's all that matters. So that's all I got. Y'all give it a whirl. Let me know what you think if you've tried them. Put it in the comments what you think. And hey, wow, give it a whirl. So we will catch you guys on the next one. Remember, there's 2 rules in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. Y'all are awesome. Have a great week. Go. You like that? I'd like some more, please.